Hi, this is Leslie Langnaw with Make Parts Fast. I'm here at the RAPID TCT show, and I'm here now with Formlabs with Eduardo Torrealba. And Formlabs has something new. It's been introduced, but I'm not so sure you've had a chance to see all of these details. So tell me a little bit about this system, Eduardo.
Yeah, so this is the FuseOne. It's a selective laser sintering 3D printer. So it's a little bit of a departure from what we've traditionally been doing at Formlabs.
Yeah, you've been doing stereolithography.
Yeah, that's right. The
primarily.
Form 2 is a stereolithography or SLA printer, and we've sold lots of those units to customers all over the world. And there's a lot of great things about stereolithography, but there's a few shortcomings. You have to have support structures. You can't really print in certain materials.
Right.
And so we wanted to add new capabilities to our customers and give them something to complement their already great experience with stereolithography. So a few years ago, we started developing a selective laser sintering process, and that allows us to print nylon parts.
It's predominantly nylon is the main material?
We're going to be shipping with nylon 12 as our first material, and then we'll add other polymers to that mix over time, the same way we've done with stereolithography. But that'll be our primary focus to start. It's where most SLS prints that run today are run with nylon 12 materials.
Now, would you consider this kind of a desktop unit or something that could go in an engineer's office?
This is designed to be more of a benchtop unit, so this would go in more of a traditional workshop space.
Okay.
So you might think about putting this next to a laser cutter or something like that. You probably don't want that on your desk or right next to where you're working, but it could easily be within walking distance of where you're sitting. Yeah.
Now, how about as far as it's for prototyping certainly, but even for production, for low-run production?
Yeah, so we think most of this machine use will come through the rapid prototyping space, but we have a lot of customers who are reserving the machine now. They're putting their $1,000 down and telling us that they really want to do small batch manufacturing. There's companies all over the country that are talking about producing hundreds or even 1,000 parts for very niche products.
And this can handle that?
And this is the perfect thing for that. Yeah, exactly.
You have a part there that you've made out of this unit.
Yeah, so this is it's a fun sort of example part. This is designed by a design studio in Somerville, Massachusetts called Nervous System. They do generative designs, and this is a generatively designed chainmail shirt. And the way this works is that they use their special software that they create to create this garment. And then once that's created, they have another piece of software that actually balls it up into a little package like this. And then we can print this on the printer. And then when it's done, you just take it out and shake the powder off, and you have a completed, piece here like this. And this shirt actually has over 11,000 individual links on it. It's an exciting project, and there's a lot of really interesting things about that. But to me, I'm just excited because it could be 11,000 individual parts, right? You can have things that you pack closely together. You could have, hundreds of something that you're trying to produce for a small business or even a large company that's trying to have, very bespoke design or highly customized products. The FuseOne can do all of those things.
Now, this is the nylon, but you're also going to be introducing other materials.
Yeah, so, in the way that we launched the Form 2 and our stereolithography platform, we started out with sort of a general purpose material. I think we had a gray or a clear was our first one. And then over time we added new materials. So now we have a whole variety of materials on stereolithography, from biocompatible dental materials to flexible materials, high temperature materials. And those are all materials that exist within stereolithography as a field. So we'll be doing the same thing here, right? We won't be using the same materials, but we'll be adding all the different materials that you can get SLS at service bureaus or in traditional SLS printers. You'll eventually be able to do those on a FuseOne.
Now, how about some kind of documentation or something for the engineer so that he knows that he's going to get certain mechanical properties from these materials?
So we have data sheets on our website that tell technical data information. We're hitting at or better material properties, surface finish, and dimensional accuracy than what you would get from a service bureau or a traditional SLS printer.
Excellent. This is kind of fun. So for an engineer who wants to learn, it's not even hot to the touch. So for an engineer who wants to learn more about this system, what website would they go to?
Yeah, they go to formlabs.com. We have information on there about both the FuseOne and the Form 2. You can learn all about the unveiling of this product. We talked about last June. We've got some videos and white papers online about SLS. And then there's more information about our stereolithography products as well.
Well, thank you for your time.
Thanks
I appreciate
so much.
it. And that's one of the new systems being displayed here at RAPID plus TCT.